Hello everyone, my name is John and welcome to the Fuzzy Slipper, where today we'll be showing you how to make the Moscow Mule. Roll that intro. The Moscow Mule is a delightful drink for any type of occasion. The crushed ice and copper mug help to maintain a really cold temperature, which leads to an overall better drinking experience. The ginger beer adds a little kick to an otherwise basic vodka drink. Today's recipe will consist of Tito's Handmade Vodka, Fever Tree ginger beer, freshly squeezed lime juice, and a lime wedge to garnish. We'll start off with 2 ounces of vodka. Today, we're using Tito's Handmade Vodka from Austin, Texas. Next up, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. At this point, you can go ahead and add a good amount of crushed ice, followed by your ginger beer, and you're going to fill that up to about 3/4 of the way. And now add your ginger beer. Today we're using Fever Tree ginger beer. Now you're going to finish it off with some more crushed ice. And finally, a lime wedge to garnish. Grab a straw. And there you have it, the Fuzzy Slipper's take on the Moscow Mule. I'm John. Make good decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified when new content is released. Leave a comment down below. Let us know how you like your Moscow Mules and what we should tackle next. I'd say these rival mimosas for brunch. I mean, they say they're girly, but I think they're awesome. I'm taking it back.